we finished our real numbers and we are getting into sets. So, in sets chapter you have very less portion compared to the previous syllabus and all. So what all you have in your syllabus only, the basics I am teaching today. So a set is well-defined collection of objects. So well-defined means it should belong to same category. The numbers or the elements you are writing in this set should be of same category. That is, you can write set of birds, set of rivers, set of capitals of India. Like this you can write, but you cannot mix up rivers, birds and all. So it is well-defined collection of objects, and suppose n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So this is set of numbers. It can be limited, it cannot be limited. You can write A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is set of numbers. So like that, set of numbers, set of rivers, set, you can write anything that should be defined. There are two forms of sets, roster form and set builders form. You can express the sets in two forms. They are set roster form and set builders form. Roster form is also called as list form. So you write the elements in a list. So B is equal to 2, 8, 9, 10, 0. Suppose this is, you are writing the the numbers in a row using commas and in between the brackets. So this flower bracket, in between flower brackets with commas if you write, it is called a set, and each number is called, whatever you write, number or Godavari or some bird names, birds, all are called elements of the set. So these are called elements of the set, and these should be written in a flower bracket with commas. So that is roster form. And set builders form is, suppose you have B is here, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given. So this is roster form. You can convert this into set builders form, but there should be a rule for set builders form. You cannot write zigzag way in set builders form. So B is equal to X such that X belongs to natural numbers. X is less than or equal to 5, or you can write X is less than 6. This is the way you have to write the roster. This is roster form, this is set builders form. When you write set builders form, you should have a rule. You follow that rule and write X here, these are natural numbers, less than 5, less than 6, so you can write less than or equal to 5. So this is the way set builders form is written. We will discuss these later, but just basics I am explaining you. Next, finite set and infinite set. Finite set is finite set and infinite set. If a set contains limited number of elements, it is called finite set. So you can take the number. See, this is 8, 9, 6, 4, 5. So we have limited number of elements here, that is 5 elements. So it is in finite set. If it is infinite set, natural numbers or whole numbers, 1, 2, 3 will start, they will go to infinity. So you can't count the numbers, but you can write them in set, but you cannot count the numbers. Similarly, whole numbers. So this is also an infinite set. So finite set and infinite set are over. And next, null set. It is it is its symbol is this. Null set is set which does not contain any element in it. So it is empty set. You can call it null set or empty set. It does not contain. If you have 0 here, see this 0 is also an element. Don't get confused. If 0 is there, don't think that it is a null set because 0 is there. It is not. You cannot say that because 0 is also an element. And universal set. Universal set. Universal set is the set which contains all subsets. The related subsets will be there in the universal set. Suppose here A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. B is 3, 4, 6, 5. C is 8, 6, 4, 0. You have like this. Universal set of this is which contain all the elements. Here we start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 again repeated here, 3 and 4, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 8. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 is there. 3, 4, 6, 5, 3, 4, 6, 5 is there. 8, 6, 8, 6, 4, 0 are there. So this is a set which contains all these 3 subsets. For these sets, this is the universal set. Universal set is the set which contains all the elements of its subsets. Next one. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Intersection symbol. Intersection of sets is. The symbol is this. A intersection B. That is X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This is the symbol we use for belongs to. That is, see, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 5. What are the elements which are present in both A and B? Here 2 is present and 4 is present. So you can write A intersection B is 2, 4. That's it. Okay? So the elements which belong to A and B both are taken as A intersection B. A union B. A union B is X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. You will take the elements in A and elements in B, which are common you will take, and additional also you will write. So same thing, A 1, 2, 3, 4. So A union B of those two sets is, you will write 1, what are common? 2, 4. So 2, 4 you write first. Order can be in any way. The elements of the set can be in any way. It is ascending, descending or mixed. 2, 4 first without having confusion. And 2, 4. Here you have 1, 3. Here you have what else? 6, 5. So this is A union B. That is common elements plus what are left in the two. Here 1 and 3 are left, and here 6 and 5 are left. You have to write all the elements. That is called A union B. Understood? Next, difference of the sets. Difference of the sets. See, A minus B is X such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. Does not belong to B. This is A minus B. So, B minus A is X such that X belongs to B and X does not belong to A. See, we will take A is 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. B is 2, 3, 4, 6. These are the two sets we have. A minus B. What are common in A and B? First see. 2, 3. Eliminate them. A minus B is 1, 5, 9. That is, so over no, A minus B, first you take the common elements in both, remove that from A and write the remaining. That is called A minus B. And if you want B minus A, B minus A. What are common in both these two? So what are remaining in B? That is 4, 6. So A minus B is 4, 6. Can you understand? A minus B is x such that x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. B minus A is x such that x belongs to B and x does not belong to A. A is, suppose I gave you an example, A is this. First remove the common elements from A, write it as what are common in A and B, remove them and write that will be A minus B. And B minus A is common elements in B you remove and write the rest, you will have B minus A. Next one, equal sets. Equal sets are, suppose you have A, equal sets are sets which are having equal number of elements and same type of elements. Both should be same. So, A is 1, 5, 8, 9. B is 5, 1, 9, 8. See here you have four elements are there and all the elements are equal. So these are called equal sets. So suppose see equivalent sets. Equivalent sets is A is equal to 1, 5, 8, 9, what I wrote above. B is Sarada, Lata, Jamuna, Radha. See, these are set of some girls. These are set of numbers. But you can call them equivalent sets because their number is same. That is called cardinal number. Cardinal number of set A is equal to cardinal number of set B. Therefore, they are called equivalent sets. A is equivalent to B. Here A is equal to B. Equal sets are A is equal to B. Okay? So, you should know what is equivalent set and equal sets. Equal sets should have the same number of elements and same type of elements. Equivalent sets should have only equal number of elements but not same category of elements. So here see, these are set of girls, these are set of numbers, but they are equivalent sets since their cardinal number is equal. And subsets. Next one is subsets. I already told what is universal set and subsets. So suppose you have A is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. I am giving very simple examples. Anyhow, we will discuss all these in your exercises. And B is 0, 5, 3. Then see, the elements of A, the elements of B are present in elements of A. Therefore, you call it B is proper subset. This is proper subset of A. Proper subset means that two, if they are equal, they are subsets. Here this is proper subset. Proper subset means some of the elements of this are present in this. Suppose A is equal to 5, 6, 8. B is equal to 6, 5, 8. Then they are equal and A is subset of B. B is subset of A. A is equal to B. Understood? See, here they are equal also. You can put like this. A is equal to B. A is subset of B and proper subset of B, and A is equal to B. B is proper set of A and equal to. So this is the proper subset symbol. That is some of the elements of set present in main set. A is having the elements of B, so B is subset of A. Okay? And how to write subsets? Suppose proper subsets, how to write? A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then proper subsets of this is, null set is always a proper subset of any set. So this set itself is subset of itself. So these two you have to remember. Then here you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3 we wrote, we didn't write. 2, 3 also is there. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. See, you can check whether you have written all the proper subsets. I will give you a formula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8. 2 to the power of n is the formula. Where n is the number of elements. 2 to the power of 3. Here we have 8 elements. Remember, always you will have a lengthy set is given. You have to write the subsets. You may miss somewhere. Then you count all the subsets. They should, suppose if they have given 4, 2 to the power of 4. So it's 16 subsets should be, proper subset should be there. If they are not there, again you check and go back and count the, suppose if you miss any subset, you can write them. Okay, understood? So these are the concepts which you have, which are given in your this one. And you remember, null set is subset of all the sets. Okay? And universal set contains all the subsets. So these concepts we will use in the exercises and we will do the problems. And belongs to is this and does not belong to is this. These two also we will use in the sets. So I finished the concepts of sets.